In this video we will compare Veed and InVideo. Let's break down both tools and help you decide which one is better for your video editing needs. Veed is an all-in-one online video editor known for its simplicity, clean interface, and great for quick edits, subtitles, and social media videos. On the other hand, InVideo focuses on templated content creation, offering thousands of pre-designed templates perfect for marketing, intros, and YouTube. Veed shines with automatic subtitles, screen recording, and audio tools, while InVideo excels in template variety, AI text-to-video, and brand customization. Both are beginner-friendly, but Veed is slightly more intuitive for fast edits. InVideo may take longer to explore, but it offers deeper customization. Pricing is competitive. Veed offers a strong free tier, while InVideo gives more value on paid plans. So, which one's better? If you need quick edits and subtitles, go with Veed. For templated marketing content and YouTube videos, InVideo is your best bet.